Guys, another check. You must check this. I'll wait for this person to pass so I can explain. Right, so every car has 5 lug nuts, y'all. Right, you see those 5? Right? And there's 5 here. Right? We're gonna keep on going around. I checked it yesterday, and I'm thinking it was the axle. It was making a noise. 5 here. So I went and bought the axle. I'm ready to start my work day. And if you look, I just started. 2. And I'm thinking that's a problem right there. She has 2 lug nuts that I guess over time came out because they're not stripped off, not broken off. We're about to find out if that was the problem. It's crazy though.